Hey everyone, my name is Elisa Covington and we're going to tour this house flip on a cliff. In just a month, we've made so much progress inside and I can't wait to show you. We haven't really done much on the outside yet, but the scaffolding is up because we're preparing to paint the exterior. Because the house sits on a cliff, we have scaffolding on the bottom all the way to the top, and it's costing me a lot of money. The painting of the exterior on this house seriously cost me 3-4 times a regular home painting. Check out the interior. I was pleasantly surprised that the living room work is almost done. We got new recessed lights all wired and we have the new flooring put in, and this window is completely uncovered so you can see clearly that also today is a pretty good day. So you can see all the way to the ocean far away, and if we thin down the trees in the back, we are going to have a really nice view here. On top of that, we also did new texture on all the walls because there were a lot of patches and we want to make the interior texture more unified. So that was a big expense. And in this dining room, we're putting in a new ceiling fixture, and we also removed this wall that was here separating the kitchen. So now this flow is really nice and it makes this whole space feel so big. Some people have asked me how I can turn a project around so quickly. It definitely didn't happen overnight. On my first project, it took so long and it was so painful. But over the last 7 years, I've gained a lot of experience and really get very good at managing construction projects. Lucky for you, you don't have to go through all the detour I've went through because you can join my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy. I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping and help them avoid costly mistakes. A lot of my students have already completed their first couple projects and made a 6-figure income. So if you're interested, make sure you check out our website, transformflipperacademy.com, and schedule a call with us to learn more. In the kitchen, we got it all down to the studs, and you can see all the knob and tube wiring in here that we are working on replacing. Knob and tube is a very old electrical system and it needs to be upgraded for a new kitchen. So that's what we are working on now, and we're also going to do all new plumbing in here. On the back of this kitchen, there's the guest bathroom and the primary bathroom that we're going to take a look in a little bit. But the kitchen layout got a complete makeover. It was a galley kitchen on both sides before. Because we removed that wall, so we are able to do an L-shaped kitchen wrap around with a little island over there. So this island here can be kind of a center for social gatherings, and it will be really nice for entertaining. We are going to put all new cabinets, shaker style, and new appliances, countertops, so it will be a really nice upgrade. Follow me along through the hallway and we get to the bedrooms and bathrooms. The guest bathroom here is of a pretty good size, and if you remember, there's a skylight, and after we opened up the ceiling, we actually realized that it was done illegally because they cut the ceiling beams. So we are going to have to restore it, and unfortunately we would need to close off the skylight. I think it's better to do it up to code and make sure everything's properly done rather than having a skylight. But we'll have new recessed lights and vanity lights, so it's still going to be plenty bright in here. It's all down to the studs, and we're also working on upgrading the electrical and plumbing in here. And then we go to the primary bedroom. So the bedroom, it looks so different now. All the walls are retextured, so the patches are gone, and it's so much brighter in here with the lighter colored natural flooring. It's really different and looks very welcoming. And in this primary bathroom, it's also down to the studs. It's on the smaller side, but it's still got a good sized shower in the back and toilet vanity. Still, we have to upgrade the electrical and plumbing, but it will be a very modern style bathroom later on. So this is the upper level, and we have 2 more bedrooms right next to each other over here, and both of them are also finished the same style with the new ceiling light, new flooring, new wall texture, and we're still waiting on the windows because all of these old single pane windows need to be updated. This bedroom also is going to have a nice view of the ocean over there. The downstairs basement got a really significant facelift as well. So the steps here was diagonal before, and we're making it a full step. The interior, we have the ceiling panels removed and new drywall up, and then all the walls got new texture as well, and old carpet was removed. So this kind of cool patterned linoleum floor is actually underneath, but we're going to use new vinyl floors that matches the upstairs in this area as well, so the house will flow like this would be part of the home again. And then on this side, this pillar over here is also framed up, so it looks quite nice. At the end, there's this box that was a window before but closed off by the previous owner, so we want to put it back in so there's more natural light in here. Overall, this is going to be a really nice bonus space that can be used for multiple purposes like a game room or office. So I'm really excited about how it's going to turn out. I hope you're amazed by the progress we made in just a month, and I think this project is probably gonna be done in another month. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the after video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. This is cost me, sorry. I think I said show you twice.